Hey everybody, check out this puzzle I got from HUADADA. It is the Giethoorn village, and I'm not sure exactly where that is. I'd probably have to Google it to find out. But this is a 1,000-piece puzzle, 1,000 pieces, and it's for ages 14 plus. And it is the Giethoorn village, and it says it's 500 by 700 millimeters, and it's for 14 up, and it comes with 1,000 pieces. So let's see what we've got in here. And it comes with a kind of a little guide thing here. I'll show you this briefly here. This is just kind of a poster kind of deal that you have of the same picture, so you can kind of line it up if you want to do that as you go. And then these are the pieces here. They are nice and thick and good. And so these are nice. On the back they have letters on them. I guess that'll kind of give you an extra little line-upness if you need help with it to look at the back. But how cool are these? These are nice. They look colorful and everything like that. Oop, there's an end piece. I like to do my ends first, so I'll be doing this one here soon. I've got a couple other puzzles that I have in the works, so this will be soon. But very cool. I like it. Thumbs up.